Hey friends, welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, I'm Cindy. If you have been here before, welcome back, and I'm still Cindy. Okay, I'm doing things a little bit different today. It's not a kiln opening. Okay, I do not have a kiln opening. I'm holding my phone to make this video right now because I have got to clean my studio. I have got to clean my studio, and I decided I needed somebody to be here with me while I did. So I chose you. Yay. Aren't you lucky? No, but I feel like I can't be the only one out there. I cannot be the only potter that is kind of a disaster. And I'm I have a project going on. I know, Cindy, make test tiles. Ugh, I'm gonna, but I got other things that I need to do. Right now I'm working on a project where I'm trying to make a mug for each one of my children and grandchildren. If you got a couple kids and a couple of grandkids, that's not so bad. I've got 14 grandchildren and 7 children, okay? So that's a lot of mugs. So I have a lot of mugs to make, and I've just been working on getting that done. Yesterday, I threw 8 mugs. I'm still trying to figure out my style, okay? I'm new at this. I throw massive mugs. What the heck? I'm going to show you. I don't really want to, but I'm just going to show you. Please don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me by my mugs. I don't know what happened to these 4. I think I got tired. This one, I mean, it doesn't have a hole in the bottom, but other than that, it looks like a planter. And it looks kind of wonky right here. I don't know. I'm probably not even going to keep it. It's probably going to end up in the reclaim. But like these 3, I don't know what happened to them, but the rim just went wonky. So I've got a rim rounder in there, and I thought maybe because I'm trying to get them to dry out. I wrapped them and apparently wrapped them too good. And so today they're still really wet anyhow. But I'm going to show you my studio right now. Those are the mugs that they've got their handles on them. They've got their name badges on them that I'm doing. They're just wrapped and homogenizing in the little greenhouse. I'm going to show you my studio. I'm going to show you what I see when I walk in. Okay. Here we go. The door is behind me. Here's my wheel. There's my little tool cart. There's a bucket of water. There's a couple of new buckets. There's a cookie laying on top of that bucket. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's ridiculous. The very first pots that I did that didn't turn out. I mean, this is a disaster. Look at this. Look at this disaster. I know there are certain people who keep their studios really neat and tidy, and if this is giving you a twitch in your eye, please don't unsubscribe. Oh my gosh. The more I look at it, the more embarrassed I get. I mean, this is awful. There's a printer. No, it's not a 3D printer. It's just a regular printer, which it goes down there. Here's my snacks and my water that I brought out with me. My damp box. Oh my gosh. You guys, it's a disaster. My heater, because it's freezing right now. There's my reclaim under there. Anyway, so there's my slop bucket. I'm keeping that because I need to get some reclaim going because I'm out of clay. Well, I have a few lumps in this bag, and then I'm out of clay. Look at this disaster, you guys. I'm a mess. I'm such a mess. Anyway, so I just thought that you would help me to stay, what's the word? Accountable. So I've showed you the mess. Now you're going to help me stay accountable. So now I'm going to clean. Don't worry, you're not going to watch it in real time because I'm going to be out here all evening doing this, I'm sure. So I'll just, do a little time lapse, maybe put a little music to it, and you can think, wow, she cleans like Samantha on Bewitched. Who remembers that show? Am I dating myself? Yeah, probably. Anyways, so yeah, I'm going to get this place cleaned up because, boy, it's hard to like function and feel happy when it's such a disaster. So I'm going to get it cleaned up. But I had a little bit of a revelation yesterday while I was out here that I wanted to tell you about. So I was sitting out here yesterday and I'm throwing, and I have a couple pairs of shoes that I really love and that I wear when I'm throwing and just out in the pottery studio. And yesterday one of them just got covered in clay. I don't know why I was such a mess yesterday, but it was just a mess. But while I was throwing, I thought I should wear like rubber boots or something. And I went, oh, I actually have a pair of low, low ankle, whatever ankle rubber boots that I've had for quite a while, and I don't really wear them very much. So that's what I'm wearing right now. Let me show you. So now when I sit here at my wheel and get clay all over my shoes, which can happen, see, they're just an ankle boot. They just come to there. High C. They're pretty comfortable. They're pretty nice. I can just wipe them right off. So I think this is going to be my new Pottery boot, because these are my barefoot shoes that I really love. Look what happened to them yesterday. I can get it cleaned off. I can wash them, but anyhow. So yeah. Does anybody do that? Does anybody wear rubber boots when they're throwing? No, wait, don't tell me you just don't get clay all over your shoes like I do, but I'm going to put you on a tripod somewhere or prop you up somewhere, and I'm going to get busy. So if you want to jump in and give me a hand, I'd really appreciate Come on in. There's Jimmy. I don't know if you guys have officially met. I feel like I should introduce them because you're going to see them a lot. Come here. Whew. This is Jimmy. So Jimmy is 8 years old. He's Havanese. He's my bestest boy. He's my bestest boy. And he has a sister named Greta. I'm surprised she didn't come out here with him. Usually it's both of them. But yeah, he likes to come out and spend time in the studio with Mom. I even have a little stool right here that he likes to lay on. A little bench, a little bit padded bench that he lays on when he's out here with me. But typically if Greta's not out here with him, he won't stay very long because he's very bonded to Greta. He's bonded to me, but he's bonded to Greta. So he likes to have both of us at the same time, doesn't he? Yeah, he's a good boy. So anyways, this is Jimmy. Jimmy has congestive heart failure, sadly, but he's doing very well. He's on medication that he takes every day and will for the rest of his life. And at his last cardiologist checkup, they were so happy with how well he's doing, because when they have congestive heart failure, their heart grows 3 sizes in one day. He had a very big heart, didn't he? A very big heart. And it makes him cough. And anyways, so he'd had a heart murmur since he was a puppy. And I didn't realize that that could lead to the congestive heart failure. But anyways, he's on medication. He's doing great. And the cardiologist said he could live many, many more years. Am I boring you? So anyways, that's Jimmy. Again, he's a Havanese. I love the long coat. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of hair. So if ever you're watching my videos and maybe a kiln load and unload and I'm up close and you see hair all over me, that's Jimmy. Yeah, hair around our house is just an accessory. I'm glad that hair burns off in the kiln because I can tell you that there oftentimes is a lot of hair on my pots. I do the best I can. He gets brushed regularly, as you can imagine he has to with this coat. But anyways, he's the bestest boy. Yeah, he's the bestest boy. So that's Jim. And I will introduce you to Greta when she comes out. But I've got this area done. That area is almost done. But Jim came out to tell Mom that it's time for dinner. So I'm going to go in, fix the dog's dinner, and I feed them raw, so it's a little bit of a process. And then I'll be back and we'll get the rest of this place cleaned up because I'm feeling really good about it so far. Okay, it's clean. I mean, it's a lot cleaner than it was. Let's say that. But because it's snowing outside, I've got some buckets of really nasty water that I need to take care of outside, and I'm just not going to do that this evening. It's dark outside. It's 6 o'clock. I don't know how long I've been in here. It's been a while. I watched a Dark Star Pottery video, and then I watched Handmade by Souza. I adore Handmade by Souza. Souza is just the sweetest. She is so awesome. She has such a big heart, and I just love her so much. And I'm so grateful that I've been able to meet her virtually through YouTube, because of this, because of this hobby that I have, and the pottery community. So anyway, let me show you. Oh, let me pick up a couple of things. Okay, I got my TV remote can stay there, but I'll grab my phone off of there. I have an armful. I'm gonna have to make 2 trips to get things in the house. Jimmy's out here with me. I did not get the floor done. Okay, the floor is still a disaster, and I would like to know how you guys clean your floors. Do you sweep? It seems like I've heard you shouldn't sweep because of the dust. Do you vacuum? Seems like I've heard you shouldn't vacuum because of the dust. Do you just mop? I mean, not only do I have clay all over my floor, but I also get pine needles and dirt and just crap that gets drug in. So tell me how to clean. What's the best way? I mean, I've cleaned it. I've done my own way, but I feel like there's got to be a better way than how I'm doing it. So let me know that. But I'm not going to be able to do that tonight. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. My knee is telling me that it is time to be done. So let me turn this around and show you how much different it looks than it did when we first started. Okay, I'm standing with the door behind me. Look at that. You can see the counter over there. Look at that. You can see that counter. Oh my goodness, that's so good. We've got all the things put back on my tool cart that belong on my tool cart. I put all of my kiln furniture posts, kiln posts and cookies are all in that box so that I can carry them out to the kiln since the kiln lives outside. There's the little bench that Jimmy likes to lay on. There's my buckets that I need to take care of. So yeah, things are cleaned off, put away. I probably should check on those things, those pots one more time before I go in. They're in the greenhouse, but I might need to put more plastic over them because I need them to stay good enough that I can trim them tomorrow. So that's the plan. I love that I got this all cleaned off. All of that stuff over there goes in the house. I got my wheel all cleaned. Oh my goodness. Everything looks so good. There's another bucket that I got to deal with. And my bags of my lumps of clay that are ready. And there's Jimmy by the door. He says, "Come on, Mom, let's go in the house. You want to go in the house? Huh? Are you ready to go in the house? Who's a handsome boy? Who's a handsome boy? Can you blink your eyes? Oh, what a good boy." Okay, so much better. I feel much better about that. Tomorrow is going to be a good day of getting more stuff done because I just feel like I can breathe now. Thanks for hanging out with me as I tidied up my studio. I really appreciate it. And I will see you on the next one.